Pretty neat, right? Like an eye. You investigate anybody? Maybe I should put this right here. Okay, I can see here. I'm gonna put this right here. You're already trying to find something, so okay, I'll take care of that. I'll take care of that. All right, I'll get your toys are over here. Hold on. All right here. So then there you go, buddy, right here. Now you got a bigger area to play. Look at this. There you go, Pierre. Bigger area to play. Just wait a minute, I gotta jump up there now. You can jump right there, like I think you're going to be smart. There you go. Look at that. And look what a view. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'm thankful. I'm thankful. Yeah, I am thankful. Yes, I am. Oops. See, now he just saw the birds fly by. Oops. You all right, buddy? Look at you, gonna tip over there. You okay? You need some food? You all right? The birds fly like they're gonna come right into the window. Okay, they see if they fly by. It's kind of neat. Yeah, you can see them in real action. That square. Oh, one just came by. Oh, there we go. All right, buddy. I'll move the table over here. Look at. I will move the table over here. So that way, you won't fall. You'll feel a little more secure. Okay, there we go. That's all. That's the way. I like it. Da 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 da. There's a lion. Come on, let's see, go Pierre. Yeah, then we can see how you are now, and then when you get your shot, it takes about 2 months to see any kind of, maybe a month and a half. Right, Pierre? My poor baby. I understand the pain. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you.